I'm fat. Well, kinda, but this is fat. This is gonna be our 2004 Isuzu NPR Turbo Diesel that we're gonna convert into a ramp truck. But wait, if you've made it that far, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Give the video a like and comment what you like and what you don't like about this. We need y'all to stick out for the end of the video. We also want to thank y'all today
for 500 subscribers.
500 plus subscribers. That has shot up within the last 48 hours.
And I get to shave his head bald, so stay tuned for that.
Stay tuned, he's gonna shave my head bald. Go.
Okay, so guys, we just moved from like this right here, so you could see this part of the box truck more better. So we will be talking about how we're gonna do this.
Yep.
And we're gonna call some people to help.
Yep.
And that stuff.
And then also, I've got people in mind. We're gonna remove the box off this truck. So then it's just gonna be a cab chassis. I got a guy in mind. He's gonna try to help us design a ramp truck for it. It's gonna be a car hauler for the S2000. This is future ideas. Nothing that's gonna happen just yet. Because there's a lot of planning that's gonna go involved with this build. Weight being the biggest issue on this one. Stability in order to haul the weight with the center of gravity moved up and taking turns. So I'd say we'll be adding some airbags to the back suspension. Once it's done, this will be either wrapped or painted yellow, blue down through here, and it's going to mimic a spoon livery to match the livery of the S2000. That being said, it is a 4-cylinder turbo diesel, automatic transmission. Truck's been a good truck. I know the history and background of this truck. So when it came available to me, I went ahead and got it. I kind of pulled the trigger a little quick on it, but can't pass a good deal when you get one. So with that being said, again, thanks for the 500 subscribers. Go ahead and hit that button again and stay tuned, because the next video, this guy right here,
I get to shave his head bald.
shaving his head. But wait, there's more.
1,000 subscribers.
There you go.
He's shaving his beard and his hair. But I want you, when we hit 2, you gotta shave that.
I'm not.
Yes.
No, I ain't doing the eyebrows.
Yeah.
You might have to run that by mama.
Okay.
So at
He
1,000,
did eyebrows.
at 1,000, it will be the hair, it will be the beard,
Maybe the
no eyebrows.
eyebrows.
No eyebrows. You know what? Put it in the comment section. Not saying I'm going to go for it though, but
Okay, right? Yes, if you want him to shave his eyebrows, but like no, if you don't want him to.
no.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
From bolts to burnouts.
Stiltner's Garage.
Signing out. Thanks again.